Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're checking out what we believe to be the best charger decoration available, the Tospania DIY Cable Protector Charger Wire Saver. If you've ever struggled with your charging cables fraying or breaking near the connector, this little accessory could be exactly what you need to extend the life of your cables and add a fun touch to your charging setup. This cable protector is designed specifically for Apple's original 18W and 20W USB-C chargers, compatible with iPhone models from the 11 Pro Max up to the 15 Pro Max. It's important to note that the actual iPhone cable and USB-C charger are not included, so you're just getting the protector itself. The fit is designed with precision, so it snugly covers the sensitive areas of your charging cable, that junction where cables often bend and break, providing protection against bending and damage. Just keep in mind that it might not fit larger or third-party chargers perfectly, so sticking to the specified charger sizes is best to avoid any issues. One of the standout features of this product is its quality. Made from a combination of high-quality PVC and silicone materials, the protector feels comfortable to the touch while also being resistant to abrasion and corrosion from chemicals. This means it should hold up well over time even with regular daily use. The Tospania protector isn't just practical, it's designed with a colorful and playful 3D cartoon style that makes your charger easily identifiable. This makes it perfect for anyone who wants to add a bit of personality and fun to an otherwise plain cable. The product comes in several cute designs, including pink cat, black Kuro, black mouse, blue Dora, and pink Lena, so you have options depending on your style preference. Along with the main protector for your charger, the package includes additional accessories, a cartoon-style data wire protector that fits on the lightning cable side, a silicone wire organizer to help keep your cables tidy, and a reusable nylon cable tie for bundling cables neatly. This makes the package not only a protector but also a neat cable management solution. In terms of installation, it's a straightforward DIY setup. You simply slide the protector onto the charger and cable where they meet. The flexibility of the silicone allows for easy application and removal without damaging the cable or charger. This means you can swap designs or reposition it if needed without any hassle. Overall, this Tospania DIY cable protector is a great accessory to help protect your expensive Apple charging cables from wear and tear while giving them a charming, customized look. It's lightweight, durable, and designed specifically for Apple's charger models, making it a practical and fun addition for any iPhone user. If you're tired of replacing cables too often or just want to make your charging gear stand out, this cable protector is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.